In this video, I'm going to show you how to change payment method in Amazon after order. So first off, you just have to click into your account, or you should browse your web browser into Amazon, and you should go to your account. Once you're in here, you should navigate in here the your payments. Just click that. Now, once you are in here, I will show you a picture. If you have a card right there, you could click any card, and there is a remove button in the web browser. So you just have to click that, and it would remove the card, and you could set as new as another payment method. Or if you have like this, just like mine, you just have to add a payment method. And as you can see, you should have to pick any card in here. And once you have a card registered here, in the picture that I've shown you, you just have to click the edit button, and that is how you change its payment method. And that's it.